Namaste children, I'm Shweta, your max teacher. Let me continue today's class. In your previous class, we completed chapter 3, that is how many squares. In that, you already know how to find the area and perimeter. Now, let me start chapter 4, parts and wholes. See, by seeing this picture, see here one apple you call it as completely one apple you call it as whole, and that whole is divided into two equal parts. So that parts, two equal parts here, how many equal parts? Two equal parts. So what is the fraction there? 1 by 2. One apple is divided into two equal parts, so 1 by 2, that is half. See here also so many pictures regarding the wholes and parts. Here also pizza is cut at so many parts, and if you take one piece of pizza, see how many pieces are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 pieces are there totally. So that 8 pieces, one piece if you take out, how many pieces remaining? 7. So 1 by 7. Just let Chapter 4, parts and wholes. Our flag. You all know about the our flag, right? You must have seen the flag of our country. Yes. Do you know how to draw the flag? Yes. This is also yes. See how to draw a flag. Let us see. Draw a rectangle. First you have to draw a rectangle of length 9 centimeter. Length is 9 centimeter and width. Width means breadth. Breadth is 6 centimeter. Divide it into three equal parts. See how many equal parts in our flag? There are three equal parts, and complete the flag. And the top one, see here how many equal parts in one rectangle? See here in one rectangle, so it is three equal parts means, so each part is how much? Each part is 1 by 3, right? So there are one in one flag, so there are how many parts? 3 parts, so it is 1 by 3. So 3, all all parts are equal, so it is 1 by 3. The top one third of the flag is saffron, right? See, top one third of the flag is saffron, and the what is the color of the middle one third of the flag? It is white. Where will you draw the Ashoka Chakra? See, Ashoka Chakra you are drawing at the middle of the white color. Same thing what I have. Saffron means orange only. So the color of the middle one third is white. Where will you see Ashoka Chakra? Ashoka Chakra in the middle of the white portion of the flag. How much of the flag will you color green? Means one third portion. Is the white color now less than one third of the flag? Yes, because white color is less than one third of the flag because Ashoka Chakra is present in the white portion, right? So that is the reason it is yes. Now look at the flag. How much is of it is black? See here also it is another country flag. So you can see how much is divided. There are in this rectangle also three equal parts. It is divided. How much is the black portion? It is one third portion only because it is three portions. The green part is also one third only. Okay. Is red less than one third of the flag? Yes, because in middle of the red there is a symbol. So it is emblem, that is called as emblem. Emblem is present in the red portion, so it is less than one third portion. Okay, this is flag of Myanmar, our neighbor country. See, Myanmar is our nearest to our India, so it is our neighbor country. Is blue more than one fourth of the flag or less? Blue color which you have seen, it is more than one fourth or less than one fourth? It is less than one fourth, right? Blue is small portion. Guess how much of the flag is red? It is more than one half, or is it more than three-fourth, right? That is, see that in that flag red portion is three-fourth part, right? Only 1 by 4 part, that is less 1 by 4 part, if it is red color, means remaining is 3 by 4 only, right? Chocolate bar. See, like that only here, you can collect the more number of flags and you can check how much part it is, like that. See, here math club, one more flag is there given. So how many parts it is divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So 5 parts means what is the orange color is divided? So 1 by 5. So each part is divided 1 by 5. So like that you have to check. You can take another country flag and you can check it. So like that only magic tap. See, this is one of the activity. You can do it yourself. Let us make a magic tap. You have to take a cardboard piece. Cardboard piece you have to take, and you have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. You already know how to draw a circle by using compass. So by using compass, take a radius of 3 centimeter and draw a circle in on that cardboard sheet and cut it out, and then divide the circle into 8 equal parts. See here, how many equal parts are there? 8 equal parts are there. You have to divide that 8 equal parts. You have to mark the parts by using pen or pencil. Now each part is how much? It is having one top. It is having how many equal parts? 8 equal parts. So that is the reason it is 1 by 8. Each parts is 1 by 8. Color 2 by 8 red. See, 2 by 8 means the two parts you have to take and you have to color with red. 1 by 8 orange. You can see here 1 by 8 portion is orange, 1 by 8 is yellow. So like that you can draw and push a matchstick through the center of the circle. Center of the circle you have to make it whole and you have to put a matchstick there. Then your magic top is ready. You have to spin it fast. Then you can see the color. What you can see. So you do it this. It is very interesting. You do this and you can observe what color, how many colors you can visible, on what color you can get it more. So you can see. And one more chocolate bar. See, Manju had a chocolate. She gave 1/4 of it to Raji, 1/3 to Sugata, and 1/6 to Sheila. She ate the remaining part. How many pieces of chocolate did each get right here? See, here Manju is having chocolate. She gave 1/4 portion for the Raji. How many parts are there here? First you have to count that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Totally 12 parts are there. So in that 1/4 part she gave to Raji, and 1/3 part she gave to Suguta, and 1/6 to Sheila. And remaining, how much she is remaining, you have to find. Manju had a chocolate. Number of bites in the chocolate is 12, so you have to count. She gave 1/4 portion to Raji. See, 1/4 portion to Raji. So how many chocolates are there in that? 12 bars are there. So you have to divide. 4 ones are 4. How many times 4 12 will divide? 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. Right? So now here 4 3s are 12. So 3 into 1 is 3. So how many bar she get? How many bar the Raji get? Raji get totally 3 bites. And like that only you have to find for Suguta. For Suguta, how many part of portion she gave? 1/3 portion. So it is 1/3 multiply with 12. So 3, how many times? 4 times. So how much bites she get? 4 bites. Sheila got 1/6 part. Sheila got for Sheila she gave 1/6 part. So 1/6 multiply with 12. You can write it 12 by 1 also. So 6 ones are 6. How many times 12 will divide in 6 ones are? See, always see this 6 2s are 12. See, always I will explain one thing. See, if you write the 1 by 2, see here 1 is called as what? Numerator, and 2 is called as denominator. So here already know that in a fraction you learned that. So 1/6 into 12. See here, 1 is numerator, 12 is also in numerator, but denominator is nothing, is no there, means you have to write it as 1. So 12 divides 1 means 12 only. Any number you divide with 1, you will get the same number only, right? For example, 1 12s are 12 only. So that is the reason you can write 12 by 1. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Now 2 into 1 is 2, and 1 into 1 is 1. So 2 divides 1 is 2 only. So how many bar the Suguta gave Sheila? Sheila got the 2 bites. So like that you need to find. What part of a chocolate did Manju hate? So remaining part, that is part of chocolate remaining Manju is total 12 bites are there. So she gave for Raji 3, Suguta 4 and Sheila 2. So 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 2 9. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Totally 3 bites the Manju ate. Therefore Manju ate 3 bites of chocolate. Like that you have to find. Fraction is very easy, children's. Only thing you have to understand, that's it. Here see, very easy, right? Totally how many bytes are there? 12 bytes. So 12 bytes means they are given 1/6 part to 1/3 part to Raji, sorry, 1/4 part to Raji. So 1 by 4 into 12 you have to find, like that. So you have to divide that. Color 1 by 3 of hats red. See how many hats you have to color red. Totally how many hats you have to find first. Totally how many hats are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So totally 15 hats. See, the total number of hats are 15. And see how many hats you have to color? 1/3 hat. 1/3 hat you have to color. So 1/3 into 15. I already told 15 divided by 1 you can write. So 3 ones are 3. How many times? 3 5s are 15. Now how many hats she colored red? There are 5 hats she colored red. So like that you have to do it. Now color 3/5 hats blue. So 3/5 hats means now you can only do. See, 3/5 multiply with how many? What you have to multiply? Total number of hats. See here how many parts you have to color? 3/5 part you have to color with blue. So for that number they are given in the fraction, you have to convert that into numbers. So what you have to do? Total number of hats, how many you have to write here. Total number of hats is 15. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So 3 threes are, now you can see here. So if you divide 15 3 times, so here in the numerator what is remaining? 3 and 3 is remaining. So you have to multiply that. 3 multiply with 3 is 9. So totally 9 hats she colored with blue. Okay. So like that, how many hats did you color red? 5 hats. So like that, on a remaining question you have to do it yourself. Make now see here, 6 parts of a rectangle. Rani has divided a green rectangle into 6 equal parts. See, Rani, she divided a rectangle into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like that only, you have to divide this blue rectangle into 6 equal parts. You can use the different way. See, first I will divide like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that only 6 equal parts I will divide. Another one way you can try. See, first 1 2 3 1 2 3, so 6 equal parts. So like that also you can do. So you have to do it like that. That only they are given. 6 equal parts, different way you have to divide. See, 2 ways I have shown. You can do identify and you can do it yourself. How will you check that each part is really 1/6 of the rectangle? How can you know that each part is 1/6? You can, but each part is equal. So then only you can say that each part is 1/6 part. Okay. You have to measure for that. Now remember, greedy gatekeeper. Remember Birbal, the clever minister of King Akbar. So you know about the Birbal and Akbar story in the social. You might be remember that. Here Birbal is a clever minister. He is a minister in a Akbar's kingdom. So math magic that is in the class fourth standard. If you have, you can see that yeah, Akbar and Birbal story. Do you know how he become a minister? Birbal, one story is there. I will say that Birbal was then a hang boy. Birbal was very hang boy living in a village. He was very clever and cloud write poetry. See, Birbal was a very clever boy when he was young. On the time only, he was very clever boy. He lived in a village, and he on the time only he wrote small poetries. He thought he would try his luck in the king's court, so he took some of his poem and set off for the city. See what he think. So I have he have written so many poems, right? So that poem he have taken and come to king court, and he presented there. He came to city. And when he reached the outer gate of the palace, he was stopped by the gatekeeper. See, obviously the small boy, if he enters into the king court, means they will be stopped. They will be inquiry about that boy. Even in the king court or minister, now you ministers or any cm, if you want to go there, so their watchman is there, they will not let him to let you to go inside. So that is that only here happened. The small boy is there, no, that small boy he entered to king court, but gatekeeper stopped him. When he reached the outer gate of the palace, he was stopped by the gatekeeper. Hey, stop there, where are you going? Shouted the gatekeeper. I am a poet. I want to see a King Akbar and show my poems to him, replied the poet. What he that poet that poet is Birbal says. So I was a poet. I have so many poems. I have to show that poems to King Akbar. Oh, you are a poet. The king is kind. He will surely give you a prize. I will let you in if you give me one tenth of your price. See what this gatekeeper told. King is very kind. He was very kind. He will help to everyone. So surely he will help for you also. He will give price for you. But if he gave price for you, you have to give me one tenth of your price. How much the price king will give, don't know, but the he told one tenth part. So he told in a fraction, that is the important. See, one tenth part of your price amount, you have to give it to me, the gatekeeper told to Birbal. Young Birbal agreed since he had no other way. Young Birbal told, okay. When he went in, the gatekeeper calculated, if he gets 100 gold coins, I will get dash gold coins. See, gatekeeper calculated what, yeah, if that Birbal got 100 gold coins, means how much he will get. So the total number of gold coins is 100, multiply with how much, 110. How much part he asked? So he asked 1/10 part, right? So 110 multiply with 100. So how much? 10 ones are 10 tens are. So 10 coins he will get. So like that you need to find. The poet came to a second gatekeeper. This gatekeeper also said, I will let you in if you give me 2/5 of your price. The poet agreed. So second gatekeeper also, he also asked some money, that is in a fraction only. Yes, 2/5 portion. So the gatekeeper happily calculated, the poet will get at least 100 gold coins, so I will get. For a gatekeeper, second gatekeeper also thinking, if that boy get 100 coins, how much, see, he have to give 2/5, 2 by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 20, so 40. Totally 20 into 2 is 40. Totally 40 gold coins. The second gatekeeper, he should want to give if he get 100 gold coins. So the poet reached the last gate. The gatekeeper said, I will allow you to see the king only if you give me half of the prize that you get. The poet had no other way. He agreed and went inside. The gatekeeper thought, today is the great day. If he gets 100 gold coin, I will get gold coins. But if he gets 1,000 coins, wow, how much he will get? If he get 1,000 means half you have to divide, and if you get 100 means half you have to divide. You know that how to do. The king was very happy with the poem and said, your work is very great, good. You can ask anything as your prize. My lord, I want 100 slabs. What? 100 slabs? The king was shocked. What happened after that? Complete the story. What part of the prize did the poet get? You can think. Okay. See, because Birbal was very clever. If we take, you have to remember, think that, and you have to complete this story. I will tell few lines. If we get a money, he have to give it to three gatekeepers. So he will nothing remaining. So that is the reason that Birbal asked the 100 slabs. Jokely he told. And you think, what is the completion of this story? Pattern in parts. Make different pattern by coloring some squares in the grid B, C, D. What part of the grid did you color? What part of the grid remained white? Right. See here, one A they already did. So there 8 was colored. The totally 16 boxes are there, grid are there. So in that 8 were colored with blue. So the fraction is 8 by 16. You can count 8 boxes are colored with blue. So that is the reason, because all grids are equal. So 8 by 16 total number of grids is 16. 8 by 16 the fraction. And what is the white fraction? White grid also 8 only is there. So 8 by total number of grid is 16. So like that you have to do the activity. Here, see, you can color, you have to do it this in the textbook only. You can color with any color. For example, if I colored here pink, see, how much you want, you can color by your choice. See here, I have colored 1 2 3. Total number of grid you have to count first. Total number of grid is 16 only. So I have colored 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 I have colored, 6 grid I have colored. The fraction is 6 by 16 total number. And what is the remaining white part? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 by 16 is the white fraction. So like that only. C, I have colored the 10 by using brown color. So what is the fraction for that? So 10 by 16. Remaining is 6 by 16. So like that last one you have to do it. Look at the grid A again. Is the grid colored of blue, of white? Right. See here, total number of A grid you can see here. Totally 16 are there. 16 grids are there. In that 8 is colored with blue and 8 is remaining white. So in that 16, half is how much? 8. So that is the reason, half blue, half white. B, 2 by 4 blue or 2 by 4 white. What is the answer? Answer is A only. Okay. Mark wrong X on the wrong answer. You have to mark the X on the wrong answer. See. because half blue half white equals 8 by 16, that is half. That is only divide both denominator and numerator. So you can, by seeing only you can tell this. So you already got it. Draw grids of 16 square and make pattern with 2 by 8 red, half yellow and half 1 by 4th green. And two questions they are given. 2 by 8 red. See, first you have to make a 16 grid. Okay. And see, they are given in the fraction. 2 by 8 red. See, totally how much number of grids is there? Totally 16 grids are there. So 2 by 8 red means totally how much you have to colored with red. You have to find 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. So 2 into 2 is 4. So totally how much you have to colored with red? 4 squares. So like that only, see, half 6 yellow means 8 only. You know that. 8 yellow squares. Half green, 1 by 4 green means 4 fours. That is 4. 4 grid you have to find. So 4 green squares. So see here. Then last you have to color. Okay. See, there are 4 red squares. You can observe 4 green squares and 8 yellow squares. I hope you understood. And this question you can do it yourself. See, 3 by 16 blue, 5 by 16 red, 1 by 2 green. But total number is 16 only. Now you have to find, see here how much the blue you have to colored in the grid. See, total number is 16 only. 16 ones are 16, 16 ones are 16. So 3 into 1 is 3. So totally how much you have to color with blue? 3. So like that only, out of 16, 5 by 16 is red. 5 by 16 is red means how much you have to color with red? So 5 by 16 into total number of grades. Always this you have to take total number. What they are given total, that you have to take. 16 ones are 16, 16 ones are 16. So that remaining is 5. 5 into 1 is 5 only. So 5 you have to color with red. And half means, so 16 half means 8. 8 you have to color with green. See here how you that coloring you are. And activity, see, this is the activity, you have to do it yourself. Now you have to use the color papers for this. See here, it is a fraction. By using fraction, see, they are made it as peacock and parrot. So many birds you can do it. So here fraction chart I have given, so you can use this fraction chart. See, whole means 1. So 1 is divided into 2 equal parts means it will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 3 equal parts means 1 by 3, 1 by 3. See, you want to shape means you have to use this fraction chart and you have to make the this activity. Okay, neatly you made any one bird you have to draw by using fraction cuts. See, half you can use half portion, or you can use by giving the shape you can use the 1 by 4th part or 1 by 10th part, whatever it need you have to do this. Okay.